Hi everyone, welcome to the CX Collective video. My name is Jordan and I'm an operations manager here at the Collective. In this video, we're going to talk about Zendesk Views and best practices and how they can help you deliver a great customer experience. First, let's talk about what Zendesk Views are. Simply put, views are different ways of looking at your tickets and filtering them. They allow you to organize your tickets based on specific criteria like priority, status, or type. With views, you can quickly see which tickets need your attention and prioritize your workflows accordingly. So why are views important? Well, for starters, they can help you stay organized and efficient. Instead of scrolling through hundreds of open tickets, you can quickly filter down to the ones that might need your attention. Views also help you track your progress and identify areas where there might be bottlenecks or backlogs. For example, if you notice that you've got a lot of tickets that have been open for more than 24 hours, you probably want to investigate why that is and see what you can do about it to prevent it from happening in the future. Now that we've talked about why Zendesk views are important, let's go over some best practices for using them. While there are many different ways you can choose to organize and set up views, we've found that an approach that focuses on your workflows is best. And to reduce confusion, we've got it organized so agents will be working from top to bottom and they'll always know what is the priority at the moment. So right here at the top, we've got the Your Unsolved Tickets view. This view is showing all tickets assigned to that currently logged in agent that haven't yet been resolved. This is the view that the individual agent is responsible for, and as they grab new tickets from the other views, those come and show up in their unsolved tickets view. Once an agent's assigned tickets are taken care of, the next view that they'll go to is this Open Tickets 24 plus hours view. In this case, we've set it to be 24 hours, but typically we'd set this number to be just beyond your acceptable SLA. Essentially, these are priority tickets that should be taken care of ASAP because they've been open for a long time. To note, this view does include tickets that are assigned already. And the reason we do this is, say I have to call out for the day and my tickets start to build up and hit that SLA. That means somebody else can come in and see, oh, Jordan's tickets need a response. We need to handle those, and then they can take care of the customer while I'm out. So below that view, we have the new and unassigned ticket view. This includes tickets that have been newly created and tickets for whatever reason don't currently have an assignee. Once an agent has handled their own tickets and the tickets that have been open for a long time, they should come in and grab tickets from this view. So those three views here should encompass all active tickets that need to be worked on. However, we do recommend some additional views to help you get better insight into your volume. So below that, we've got these three views here: pending tickets, on hold tickets, and unresolved tickets. And we typically have these visible just to leadership to give you insight into the overall volume, and agents don't need to see these, and it just adds clutter. So this is going to let you drill into specific types of tickets. And one use case here is, say, in your own hold tickets view, typically you're seeing about 10 cases open in that view, but you log in on a given day and there's 20, 30 or more. That's probably a sign, those are tickets that still need a resolution. So that could be a sign that your internal teams are being slow to respond to your agents or something. And so it's good to kind of see that number spike, and then you can drill in and work it out. Below those three views, we've got the recently updated tickets view and a recently solved tickets view. These are kind of a catch-all, so agents can quickly find a ticket that's been recently solved or updated if they need to go back to it. So there you have it, a brief overview of Zendesk views and best practices. While there are many different ways to organize your views, we found the system works for effectively reducing backlogs and maintaining your SLAs. If you want to implement these views, we'll have a link handy to a worksheet for these available in the description below. Thanks.